Welcome to my channel Financial Way. As you all know, I always keep you all guys updated regarding the topics in finance, in banking apps and n number of things. So I request with you, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you get my videos updated on a very first basis. So guys, today I'll discuss with you the topic that is NFO, New Fund Offer. Whose new fund offer? It's ICICI Proof FlexiCap Fund. Coming to a screen in Google, if you type ICICI FlexiCap Fund, I was just checking the value research online. There you can click to know the minor details of the fund. So investment strategy is to generate the long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity-related instruments across the market capitalization. In a very short lines, they have described the whole product. What is that? Basically, it is related with equity. Equity means very high risk instrument, but they have generalized the risk by how? Market capitalization. Means there is no risk between the capitalization of the market. And a very simple term means there is no restriction in the large cap, mid cap and small cap section. As the name suggests, flexi cap, they have the flexibility to move the fund performance, to move the fund portfolio between the large, mid and small cap companies. So they can move the funds portfolio according to the sentiments in the market. So that is why I am suggesting it can yield a very good return as compared to the normal NFO. Now coming to the basic topic, fund house, as you all know, it is ICICI Prudential AMC. Issue opens on 28th of June 2021 and issue closes on 12th of July 2021. Category is flexi cap. It is open-ended. Minimum investment here is 5,000. Plans is growth. There is no lock-in and exit load is there 1% for redemption within 365 days. Means 1 lakh invested. If you withdraw before 365 days, so 1% of the 1 lakh will be deducted. But it depends upon the fund value. This percentage implies on the fund value at the time of redemption. Riskometer, as I already told you, it's a very high, so you have to think before investing, but still it can be a good option to invest. Benchmark S&P BSE 500 try. It basically depends upon the Nifty benchmark, and so it's a in-demand product. Actually, it works on the top-down and bottom-up approach. What is top-down approach? Top-down example you can take as vaccination camp or anything like that from the government, and it goes into the lowermost case like people, normal people like us. What is bottom-up approach? Bottom-up approach means you will be suggestions taking from the normal people and it will be inculcated, it will be given to the government from the people's bottom-up approach. If these two approaches mix, then definitely this is a huge volume product. So thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more such updates. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.